If you ever wanted to push yourself further, I would say join Hi-Tech Tech.
That sense of doing something for somebody else makes you feel really good.
I'm a firm believer that if you don't invest in yourself, then I'm not going to invest in you. We expect a lot from our employees, and when they produce, they get rewarded. They're completing their training, they're getting raises, incremental. There's basically no cap here.
To see a new employee join our company is probably the second most fulfilling aspect of Hi-Tech Deck.
You're going to be able to do everything with 150% success rate. We're not going to leave anyone hanging. Everyone's going to get all the tips and tricks and the most efficient ways to get these boats scanned, catted, cut, installed properly, and be able to make sure these customers are satisfied.
When you come to work for Hi-Tech, you're joining a family, whether it's at the corporate headquarters or whether it's a new franchisee in another state, another city. They are embarking on a fantastic opportunity.
I've worked on tons of different types of boats, and every single time they always have the same reaction. Always super surprised about how their boat turned out. We kind of just made them into like masterpieces. I mean, it's just changed me in everyday life. I have my life more put together.
I wanted to find something that, I could get lost into. Be so interesting to me that I would literally just see the clock fly by.
Everything is perfect quality every time. This is where I want to be.
The potential is unlimited. They have a skill set that they're developing that they can use all throughout their life. Communication, responsibility, satisfaction, respect for other people, our customers, their fellow employees. It's really a core of success for any job.